Hello everyone, so this is Edmond Mendaros channel at sa bidyong ito ay pag-uusapan natin at i-guide ko kayo on how to link Maya to GrabPay wallet as payment method. Ikaw ba ay gumagamit ng GrabPay app at gusto mo i-link ang Maya or PMaya account mo para sa payment method ng GrabPay app? Kung hindi mo kabisado kung paano yan gawin, then stay tuned ka lang at start na natin. So ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-open or mag-login ka lang sa iyong GrabPay app and then click mo lang. So dito lang sa ating Grab homepage and dito lang sa top right corner, kailangan mo lang itap dito yung GrabPay profile icon natin, i-click mo lang. At dito lang sa ating profile, so dito lang sa ating dashboard and then kailangan mo lang mag-slide and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung all payment methods, i-click mo lang. And then dito sa all payment methods, so makikita mo naman dito yung currently na na-link na payment method natin katulad ng ating GrabPay wallet and then yung GCash. Okay, so dito naman sa baba makikita mo dito yung other add payment method na cards, Alipay, Alipay HK and then yung KakaoPay. And then next, so since ililink natin dito yung ating Maya account and then kailangan mo lang yan i-select. And then link Maya, so kailangan lang natin mag-login sa ating Maya account. So enter lang natin dito yung email address, mobile number and then yung password and fill out lang natin. At once nilagay mo na dito yung mobile number mo and then yung password ng yung Maya account, itap mo lang dito yung login. And then enter lang natin dito yung one-time PIN na sinan lang dito sa ating Maya mobile registered number and enter lang natin. At once na enter mo na dito yung one-time PIN, and then tap mo lang dito yung verify. And then next, so makikita mo naman dito yung link Maya. So Grab would like to log in your account, still log into your account. And then makikita mo naman dito sa baba yung option na allow or deny. So by proceeding, you allow Maya to share the above informations with this partner in line with our terms and conditions. And then itap mo lang dito yung allow. And please wait while process your request. Wait lang natin. Ayan, so makikita mo naman dito na link successfully. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung okay and then double check lang natin. And then back lang tayo, so double check lang natin dito sa ating GrabPay profile homepage. Ayan, so makita mo naman dito sa ating dashboard. So nandito na yung Maya, so successfully na i-link na natin dito sa ating GrabPay app. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-link yung ating Maya or PMaya account dito lang sa ating GrabPay wallet as payment method. In hope na nakapagbigay ako ng konting kalaman at guide tungkol sa GrabPay app tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.